May Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala in this Mubarak month of Rabiul Awwal give us the tawfiq to follow the teachings of our beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Let us light up our hearts. Those lights should be in our hearts. Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam was rahmatul lil alameen, and Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam's teachings, if any person follows them and if he makes ittiba of Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam, he becomes the mehboob of Allah Ta'ala. So those lights should be lit up in our hearts, the light of taqwa, the light of yaqeen, the light of shukr, the light of zuhud, the light of qanaat, contentment, gratitude, piety, the light of zikr, the light of tilawat, the light of ibadat. Those were the lights of different colors that we should light up our hearts with. They are lights of different colors. The light of taqwa, the light of yaqeen and iman. So we light up our hearts with them. Let such noor and such tajalli come in our hearts. Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala must bless us with His ma'iyyat.